Hey, I'm Rachel, the CEO of Intrinio. In this video, I'm going to cover how to get started with our real-time options data package in just a couple simple steps. Let's start with a quick overview of Intrinio and our real-time options data. We've been building and providing high-quality financial datasets and APIs to fintech innovators for over a decade, and we sell everything from stock prices to options chains, fundamental data, news, earning estimates, and more. Our real-time options data has become our most popular product over the past year, and we think it's probably because it's extremely reliable, priced affordably, and comes with all kinds of helpful features, like implied volatility, Greeks, unusual activity, open interest, plus our API, webSocket, SDKs, how-to guides, documentation, chat support, and more. It's one of the easiest, most affordable, and fast ways to get streaming real-time options for your app, website, or algo. And now, I'm going to show you how easy it is. The first step to accessing Intrinio's real-time options data is to sign up for an account by clicking in the upper right-hand corner of our website. This only takes about a minute, and it makes it super simple for our team to turn on access to the data. Next, you can request a free trial in one of two ways. You can fill out a simple request a consultation form, which you get to from any of our product pages. This takes about a minute. Or you can chat with us live right from the website. Whether you are chatting us or hopping on the phone for a consultation, one of our experts can turn on a free trial for you while they are talking to you. Then you can visit your account page from the upper right-hand corner of the website where you'll find your API keys. This is all you need to start streaming real-time options data. If you need some tips for how to get started using the data, go to the product page and scroll down to API reference. This will take you to our documentation for real-time options data, and you can dive right in. We've also got a few how-to guides for common first steps when you start using the data. Let's walk through a few of those together. First, how to query real-time and delayed options data. We're going to assume you're using Python since it's all the rage, but you can start by choosing from our list of SDKs. Pulling all the data for a specific company is pretty common, but to ingest all the options chain data at once, you first have to retrieve the expiration dates. You can copy and paste this code, leveraging the options expiration endpoint straight from the how-to guide, which I've linked below in the video description. Then this code will get you bid, ask, last, open interest, implied volatility, Greeks, and more. Now, if you want to dig into a specific options contract, you can copy and paste this third code snippet right from the how-to guide. We remove expired contracts regularly, so be sure to choose an active contract. One last thing that might be helpful as you dive in is to pull all the bids, asks, trades, and more into a single flat file. This code snippet will do just that via our options real-time snapshot endpoint. If you need all of the options data in real time, your best bet is to use our WebSocket instead of our REST API. It's the best method for getting a push of consistent streaming data versus a pull. First, you'll want to install Docker. Check out this video for more details on how simple this is. Then, pull down the Python SDK by cloning the repository. Next, open up the folder in shell. Run this command to build and run the Docker container. Using the build flag automatically rebuilds the Docker container each time, preventing the container from getting stale. Use this command moving forward to run your code. If all went well, you'll receive an error that you didn't provide a valid API key, but this is normal. Open up the example app Python file and delete everything. We'll start from scratch so you actually understand what it all means bit by bit. Add the following code, but include your API key in the configuration section and run the application again. Now you should start seeing trades for Apple option contracts output to the console. Your specific output will vary greatly depending on whether you put your API key in correctly, whether markets are open, and what market volume looks like, so be ready for that. You will probably be spending most of your time fine-tuning your event handlers and managing your subscriptions, but you can find more detailed instructions on that in the how-to guide, which is linked below in the description. Okay, now you know how easy and quick it is to get started with Intrinio's real-time options data. Just create an account, chat with our team, get on a free trial, Find your API keys, check out the docs, and follow the how-to guides. Hopefully this helps you get the data flowing. And remember, if you have any questions or issues, you can chat with our team at any time or email sales@intrinio.com. Thanks for listening.